everyone, I'm back again with new lesson. Today I'm gonna teach you the days of week in Spanish. Let's get started. So I start the days with Monday. El lunes, Monday. El martes, Tuesday. El miércoles, Wednesday. El jueves, Thursday. El viernes, Friday. El sábado, Saturday. El domingo, Sunday. As you see, the days of week in Spanish are masculine. I said el lunes, el martes, el miércoles. So pay attention. Now, let's make some examples in order to understand how we can use them in sentences. I want to say, what do you usually do on Saturdays? ¿Qué sueles hacer los sábados? I don't say en los sábados. In English, we use on Saturdays, but in Spanish, there's no need to use preposition. We just use article, okay? Again, ¿qué sueles hacer los sábados? What do you usually do on Saturdays? Are you free on Friday? ¿Estás libre el viernes? ¿Estás libre el viernes? I don't go to work on Mondays. Yo no voy al trabajo los lunes. Yo no voy al trabajo los lunes. I go to my friend's house next Wednesday. El próximo miércoles voy a la casa de mi amiga. In today's lesson, you have learned the days of week in Spanish. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Have a nice time and hasta luego.